Hey y'all, it's Mary and I got my December Allure Beauty Box. I got a few things in the mail today, and when I just brought them in the house and I immediately sat down to do some filming, and this box is already cut open. It's taped here. I did take a quick peek inside. It looks like everything's in there, but I'm not sure what's supposed to be in there. So let's check it out. Some things like that, sometimes these things happen. So when you open it, it looks like this inside. If that card wasn't there, there's a little bit of tissue, not much, but that's okay. There's a lot going on in there, so I don't think it's been tampered with. It's just weird. If you are a member of Allure, Allure is still $25 a month if you get it by the month. I get it by the year, and so I get it at a great discount. And they had a November sale. And I got a number of great products to sign up again. So if you, that doesn't often come around, but if you look around, sometimes they have deals where you get something for free when you sign up. It just depends on how you want to do it. But I usually look for it around Black Friday. This year it was maybe the week or so before, because a lot of places were not just doing Black Friday, they were doing like almost all of November, they were doing sales. So here is our little booklet. They do tell you about the products, which is nice. There's always a pretty lady on front. It says, order from the member store by December 14th for delivery by December 24th. And it does say very, very small, December, or 1223 V. I don't know if that's an 8 or a B. It's so teeny tiny right there. So there are a couple of versions, and once in a great while, they do ask us to pick something out. And then they also have a website that you can go to, to see about your account, and they do sell some things. So they say, give the best gift, an Allure Beauty Box gift subscription. I'm telling you, it is a great deal. If you like skincare, mostly it's skincare. There is some makeup in there sometimes. But they also have a GQ box for the man in your life. And let's see if I can get into this. They've been very needy today. Do you want to sit? Do you want to sit? I do know about this one spoiler. So let's look in the book. Smudge. Sit, sit, sit. And Camille is right behind him. And they love to just knock down that camera for me, don't they? Okay, on the back of the brochure, a lot of times is the sponsor product. But this says Happy Holidays on it. Wishing you a season filled with joy and beauty as 2023 comes to an end. We hope our December Allure Beauty Box brings extra sparkle to your holidays. Thank you having us be a part of your beauty journey. Get ready for an exciting 2024 filled with even more beauty adventures. Here's to safe, happy, and healthy holiday season. XOXO, the Allure Beauty Box team, and my camera. So this is usually the products in here are chosen by what they want us to know about from the Allure magazine. So it says Winter Wonders. There's a lot to love about this time of year, but the way winter can dry out my skin and hair, it's not on the list. It's time to call in the reinforcements, blah, blah, blah. So the Allure Deputy Beauty Director, Elizabeth Siegel, is the one that wrote about that, and then she tells a few things. Please sit down, Smudge, and let me... I think there's so much in here, I'm probably just best thing to do is to just grab and show you. So we have this Aquaphor. Aquaphor is a great, great brand. This says a repairing hand mask. Oh, I'm gonna look forward to these. This I'll use on a day when my hands are really rough from either cleaning without gloves. I do that sometimes, and then my hands get really parched. Or if it's terribly cold for a few days, and your hands just get really dried out. Aquaphor is a product, they have lotions, and they have this, I don't know what it's called exactly, a treatment, a balm or something. When you open it, it's like an ointment. It's in a tub, and you rub it and take out what you need. It's phenomenal, great for eczema. It's helped me with my eczema. This is the Repairing Hand Masks, Advanced Therapy. Intensive hydration in just 10 minutes. There's shea butter, avocado oil, and provitamin B5. So it's a one pair of gloves, so there's 2 in there. That is wonderful. I didn't know Aquaphor made gloves. This is $5.99. So that is definitely worth that price, especially because we know that the Aquaphor brand it's recommended by dermatologists and everything. So that's really great. It says you can get it at Target. Smudge, you can't come up here and aggravate me. You can come up here and sit. Next we have this, I think we've gotten this before, the Heritage Store. I've gotten that brand before. Sit on down. This is the Rose Water and Glycerin Hydrating Facial Mist. So it says, while you love it, like mascara and coffee, this unassuming pink bottle is a staple at makeup artist stations during Fashion Week and on shoots. Who knew? Who knew? So it's a nice reasonable price. It's $8.49 for 4 ounces. So this is a full size, and the gloves were full size. Maybe it doesn't say that they come in a package or anything. So I think that would be a full size. Dewy, radiant looking skin, damask roses and glycerin, dry to combination skin. This works for. So mist it over your usual skincare or on top of makeup, or spray a little onto a makeup sponge for blending in your base. Very interesting. And next we have this Pixie product. You know, I haven't seen Pixie products in a while, and they're very nice. This says Pixie Rose Radiance Perfector. Why you'll love it. You're after an illuminator that doesn't scream. Oh, if you're after an illuminator that doesn't scream, I'm wearing highlighter, look no further. Inside this pink and green tube is an Allure Best of Beauty winner. The sheer, easy to blend liquid has a soft rose tint to brighten and a pearlescent finish that makes skin glow. So $18 for 25 ml. This is another full-size product. I should tell you, in Allure, you are promised 3 full-size and 3 deluxe samples. And sometimes we do get more. We might get an extra deluxe sample or something. Or we might get 4 full sizes. That has happened. So this had little seals on it. So let me open this up. I do like the Pixie products that I've had in the past. It's just been a while since we've had any. Look at that pretty package. Really pretty. So this is it. Radiance Perfector. Interesting. So it's not sealed. It's going to be a little liquid. Oh, I put a little too much on maybe. Oh, it's beautiful. Can you see it's sort of radiant? I can see what they're saying about radiance. So it has a very, very, very light rose scent. A little pink, and I could see that would make your skin very dewy looking. Very pretty, very pretty. Interesting product. So that is $18. And then they do have, in the booklet, they have all kinds of discount codes on all these items that you can save money on if you like them and you want to buy more. Next we have this. This looks a little beat up here. Let me show it to you and see what it is. It's Maria Nyla Head and Hair Heal Booster Mask. Winter isn't exactly kind to hair. It can make strands duller and staticky. And cute sweaters can cause knots, but this rich floral scented hair mask with shea butter smooth frizz gives a boost in shine in the shine department and makes detangling easier. It even soothes itchy scalps with aloe. That's very nice. You see that boy, how he's been? Anyway, it's $9.90 for 50 mLs, which this is. So another full size. And this is, it isn't opened, thank goodness, but it's got some little marks on it, like, you know, it was almost punctured. It's a metal tube, so it's probably going to be one of those. Let's see how it is here. Oh, it's not sealed, which is weird. So, oh, it smells good. This would make your hair smell really nice, but I don't know, it might be something too heavy. It looks very thick. It might be too heavy for my very fine hair, but it would be wonderful for somebody with thick, beautiful hair that's frizzy. It would calm it down. But I do have trouble with static, so it makes me want to try it, you know. But anyway, it's just really beat up looking, but, you know, I haven't used it. And it smells wonderful. You may see that in a future giveaway. Next we have Oh, they have a little a wine voucher. If any, you can't get wine delivered in Alabama, so I can't use that. We have this little thing. What it is, I don't know. Blue, maybe? BL''EAU clay mask. This is a deluxe sample. It's $39 for 80 grams, and we got 10 grams. This could have been in 4 different styles. There's a blue, this color. There's a pink and a green and a light blue or a gray possibly. It's apply a thin layer, avoiding the eye area for 5 to 10 minutes. The mask isn't gunky or drying, so it's comfortable to wear and rinses off easily. So that's, to me, that's something that I could do like as I'm getting ready to get in the shower. Cozying up inside on a cold night with a good book or show and a face mask turns an average evening into a relaxing one. Okay, so interesting. So it is sealed. Let's see if I can see what the scent of mine is or whatever. It's Glacial Oceanic Clay Mask, Detox, Rehydrate, and Repair. So I'm not sure what the difference is of them. They show 4, and they're very hard to read, so I'm not sure what. Oh, here, it's saying there's an illuminating seaweed, Glacial Oceanic, which is what I got. Nourishing spirulina, or revitalizing algae. So I think any one of them would have been just fine to try. So this, I bet that there's probably 2 applications in here, maybe even 3. So that's very nice. And we got this. I've heard of this before. This is Billy Razor Starter Kit in Cool Blue. And this is $10, valued at $10. So, you know, I have, this past year, we've gotten a couple of razors. I got a razor from Ipsy, and I think I got it in something, and then I bought some refills. That razor has a magnet. The handle has a magnet in it. And so it hangs on the shower wall. And I'm telling you, every chance it gets, it falls and it breaks all apart. And then I have to snap it back together like a puzzle. And it's not the easiest thing to do. So it's really getting on my nerves, except I do have more razors, more blades. So I don't want to get rid of it because it won't fit, those blades won't fit anywhere else. This is sealed, but I don't like the razor. I mean, I like it. It works just fine, but it breaks all the time. And then we got another one, and I don't remember where I got it from, but it's the one that I used to always use, and I like it. So this opens this way, and it's the softest, smoothest. You're this close to the softest, smoothest skin. Welcome to Billy Fam. And it is a pretty, this also has a magnet situation, and that looks like you can peel that sticker off and stick it somewhere, and then this magnetizes there, and it's a nice, a heavy magnet. See, the problem with that other one is the magnet's in the handle and it's very heavy, so it falls all the time. This is very nice, this handle. Even though it looks shiny plastic, it has the back of it almost as silicone feeling, so you're not going to lose your grip on this. I like that a lot. And then there is the blades on it. Whoops. Well, I can't do that right at this moment, but that is very nice. And it says backup sticky stuff for your magnetic holder. Oh, they give you some extra little sticky dots in there. Well, that's cool. And they do give you an extra blade, which is very nice to have. So I like that. Very, very nice. And it's, you know, the way it's all packed really nicely. So if you got this and you can't use it because you have a razor that you love, what a nice little gift, a little stocking stuffer or something for one of your friends or sisters, mother, you know, aunt, whatever, aunt. It's nicely packaged, very nicely packaged. So, and then it goes back up in here. It says, razors built for womankind. So that is nice. Okay, and only $10. I think that's a good deal. And there's a card about it. It's an award-winning razor, okay? And you can get 50% off your first order of the refill blades. And then we also have a HelloFresh. I don't care about that stuff. Okay, next, and this is the wonderful Christmas gift. Although this has been a fantastic box. So many full sizes. There was only one deluxe sample in here. One. So this is the piece de resistance. Is that what they say? Elemis. We got Elemis. We got Elemis. This is valued at $93 for the 30 ml, which this is a full size. This is absolutely gorgeous. You know, lucite packaging and the nice mirrored lid. And I love this kind of seal. This is the, you know, you can put this back on. Whoops, a little hard to get off the first time. I won't, you know, it's cream. It's a beautiful white cream. I won't open it right now since I'm having trouble opening it. It's the Pro Collagen Marine Cream, Anti-Wrinkle Hydrating Day Cream. Phenomenal, love it. This is, it says slather a thick layer over a treatment product before bed and apply a thin layer under sunscreen and makeup in the morning. You won't see a single pesky pill. What is that about? Anyway, I don't know well, you got to read the whole thing, which I'm not going to do. So why you'll love it. Who won't love it? It's Elemis. So it says this gel cream makes skin silky. So it is a day cream, but like they said, you can use it at night. I often use this at night. Love it. Love it. $93. I paid less than $25 for this box. You can pay $25 for this box and get it. And get the $93 product. So if you are following the Christmas treasure hunt, I have this for you. This is from an Allure box. I think it was the November box. This is the Palm. It is all-in-one cuticle and nail cream. And it is this very nice, I think this is it a metal tube? No, it's a plastic tube. So a very nice tube. And that will be part of that, okay? So there it is, and that is my Allure box for December. I love it. I love it. I love skincare, and I love trying new things. And, you know, even though there might be a couple things in here I might not use, I'm very intrigued by this. But I think this is for, you know, thicker hair. So, but somebody will really enjoy it. So you may see it in a future giveaway. Y'all, thanks for stopping by to see my Allure and count your blessings. Bye-bye.